I spent the last 30 days analyzing 50 failed AI channels stuck at 0 views. And honestly, I found one heartbreaking truth that nobody is talking about. These weren't bad channels. The editing was clean. The topics were solid. Some of these creators were covering GPT-5, Sora 2.0, stuff people actually want to watch. But YouTube was treating their videos like they didn't exist. And here's the kicker, the problem had nothing to do with thumbnails. Nothing to do with titles. It wasn't even the content. It was 3 tiny settings. Buried inside YouTube Studio. Settings most creators never touch, and I know this because I made the exact same mistake. For 4 months, I was uploading AI content into what felt like a black hole. 0 views. 0 impressions. My own mom couldn't find my videos. So today, I'm breaking down exactly what those 3 settings are, and how fixing them completely changed the game for my channel. Let's get into it. Look, the AI content space in 2026 is insanely competitive. There are hundreds of channels launching every single week. And YouTube's algorithm is smarter than ever, but that also means it's pickier than ever. Here's what most people don't realize. YouTube doesn't just look at your video. It looks at signals. Tiny metadata signals that tell the algorithm what your video is, who it's for, and whether it's worth pushing. And if those signals are wrong, or blank, YouTube gets confused. And a confused algorithm doesn't recommend your video to anyone. Believe it or not, that's the whole story for most of these 50 channels I analyzed. Their signals were either missing or completely mismatched. So let's fix that, one setting at a time. Okay, first one. And this one genuinely surprised me when I found it. Your video category. Most people either skip it, or they pick science and technology because it's an AI video, right? Here's the thing. Science and technology is one of the most competitive categories on YouTube. You are literally fighting against NASA and tech giants. But the channels that started growing? They shifted their category to entertainment or even education. Why? Because YouTube matches your video to viewer behavior. Entertainment viewers scroll and binge more. If your AI video is fun and fast, entertainment might actually get you more reach. Test it. Seriously. Alright, setting number 2. Your video language setting. This is so easy to fix. When you upload, if this field is blank, YouTube has to guess. And YouTube's guesses are not always great. I found channels making English content that were being shown in non-English markets. Their click-through rates were tanking. The fix? Go to advanced settings and set the language to English. Give the algorithm clarity and it will reward you. Okay. This is the big one. Your audience setting. Specifically, whether your content is marked as made for kids. If this is set to yes, the algorithm strips away almost every major discovery feature. No personalized ads, no notifications, and massively reduced recommendations. Your video basically goes into a padded room where nobody can find it. Make sure your channel and every video is set to no, it's not made for kids. One creator I know went from 200 views to over 4,000 just by fixing this one setting. Look, I wish someone had told me this when I was uploading Into the Void at 3 a.m. I had good content, but I was handing YouTube a puzzle with missing pieces. Once I fixed these settings, my impressions literally doubled in 2 weeks. If you're building an AI channel in 2026 and you want to grow with real strategies, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm here every week breaking down what's actually working. I'll see you in the next one.